Hello all, welcome to Claire Technologies. So we are going to start a new series, which we can build a website, a WordPress website from scratch. Okay, as part of those series, today I would like to just explain how you can add a new feature like email pop-up subscription for your website. Okay, so I'll explain you step by step how you can achieve this with your website. If you would like to collect the leads or email IDs for your subscribers. Okay, if anyone interested in your content, you will get the email ID so that you can get the updates. I mean, you will send the updates to that customers who logged in through that pop-ups. This is a kind of email marketing. Okay, so we are going to discuss all the things like how to host the website, how to create a website from scratch, how we are going to build a blogs and all, posts and all, everything we will explain step by step. So this is a sample video if you can consider like one feature we can explain here, email pop-up. Like this, we will start a new series, how to build a website from scratch with all the free tools. So let's get started. Okay. So in order to build an email subscription pop-up, first I would like to show you how the pop-up will looks like. Then I'll explain you how you can do that. Okay. So to explain this, I have a website called shoppingclicks.com. So if you can just open this website, you will find some pop-up. Like once you wait for some time, once you can scroll down something at some specific point of time, you will get one pop-up. Like if you want to subscribe for something, you would like to enter your email ID and click submit, then you will receive the updates as an audience, and as a website host we will get the email IDs for the candidates. Okay, so I'll show you how you can do that, and I'm going to explain in this new series, how we can build all these things, all the menus and all the website like this, in the way how you can build this all the features from scratch. Step by step we will explain. Okay, so instead let me open this in a private window. I would like to first show you the feature, then I will explain how we can achieve that. So that's what I'm trying to uh, see here. So let's wait. Yeah, this is the one I'm talking about. So like this, if you would like to have a feature like this, if you would like to add a feature like this, see here best offers on the way. We can give any text here. We can give any template here. Once anyone clicked your website after some time, or maybe after some 3 seconds or 5 seconds, you will get this kind of pop. So if someone wants to get this offers, they need to enter their email ID, and then they need to get click on get best offers, this button. So once they click on this button, you will get this email ID, and the audience, like the users of your website, will get the best offers details in their email ID. So likewise, you need to build this pop-up in this video. So we can, if you would like to close this, you can just close it. Okay, it won't appear again. So this feature, let's see how we can build that. And I am using free plugins only to build these features, so I will tell you how you can do that. So to do that, we have a plugin called, you need to first log in into your WordPress admin site, admin dashboard. Then you need to go to plugins. We have a free plugin which is called Hustle. Go to plugin, I have already installed it, so I'll just show you how you can do that. Okay, so go to plugin, click on add new. So here in the plugin, search for name Hustle. See, this is the one which I am talking about. In my case, I have already installed it and activated it. So in your case, if you are doing for the first time, you will find the install now button. Okay, so you need to install this plugin, Hustle plugin for email marketing. So you need to click on install now and activate this. Then it will add one button here, one option here like Hustle. See here, you will find this Hustle once you activate the plugin. Then if you would like to generate the pop-ups, it has a lot of features actually. Pop-ups, side embeds, social sharing, something. We will see these pop-ups now. So okay, we'll click on Hustle, click on pop-ups. Here actually it will give you a lot of templates, different templates. You can select whatever the template you want. Okay, so to create a new pop-up, click on create. You can give any name for this pop-up. Email test I can say. It is an email opt-in or information. Like if you would like to capture all the emails for the users, you can select this. Otherwise it's just information, just like a button, I mean just like a message. If you would like to display this pop-up as a message, you can select information, but in our case we need that email IDs of users, right? So that's why I have selected this option. Then here if you would like to choose the template, it has actually provided a lot of templates. Here you can select anything you want which you are interested in, and you can customize it as per your requirement. Okay, see, these are all the different templates available here. So for our example, I have selected this template. You can click on choose template. It will get added here. Now you need to customize the content, photos, everything as you like. And here in the content, here it is showing spring collection. This is the title for this template. You can change this to anything you want. For our example, maybe MuleSoft updates, and the subtitle option if you would like to add. Otherwise you can just remove it. You want to add anything, if you can want, I mean you can add it, no problem. And here images, this is the background image for this example. I don't want this image, so I'll just close this and click an image from your uploaded files. Or if you would like to upload a new image, you can select files and you can click on the select files and upload it. Otherwise you can use the existing images of your website. So here I have earlier I have added this one, so I'll just select this, click on use image. So this image will be getting added to you. Now come here. So here it is showing off all the times items. This is the main content. So if you want, you can write your own content. Latest MuleSoft blogs, something. Latest MuleSoft tutorials, I can say. Okay, this main content will be appear in your pop-up. Now come down. So if someone click on close button, you can say no thanks, I am not interested. Otherwise you can change it because I feel this is the good one, so I don't want to remove that. Then come to email. Here you can edit what are the different fields you want, or you can edit the field name and all. So here this is the button. Here it is showing get discount code. You can click on that. You can just remove and change the button name as well. Okay, get MuleSoft tutorials, something, and click on apply. Now the button name will get changed. And if you would like to add something here, you can add. Thanks for your subscription. Your tutorial is on the way. Maybe you can say in this way. So you can write anything you want as per your requirement. Okay. Then come to integrations. Here I think you don't need to change anything. It will add all the emails into this particular local list. And appearance, how the pop-up will look like. You can change this appearance template also. For example, let's say I'll select this one, opt-in focus. So here my image text will become this side, and my button and email text box and button will come in this way. And come down. Yeah, here I think we no need to change anything. Now go to visibility. Visibility rules, if you would like to show this to all who logged in or who want to hit your website, you can leave it as it is, because it will show to all the users who is visited your website. Now this is the main thing, behavior. come to behavior, here you need to implement the features like how the pop-up will trigger. Like in my case, if you can see, once I click on my website, after 3 seconds, if I didn't do anything, 3 seconds delay is there, the pop-up will come up. Okay, so likewise you can select anything. See, this is the time, delay 3 seconds. If you would like to change, you can change this, how many seconds delay you would like to add. It means like once someone triggered your website, if they didn't do anything 3 seconds in your website, if it is idle, this pop-up will appear. 3 seconds is very less time. So once anyone click on your website and see what is there in your website, it is pop-up will appear. So that will be useful for you to get the leads and all. And this is one thing. Other thing is scroll. So after 20% page scroll, this pop-up will appear. You can select any of this behavior if you want. And second, the next one is click. If someone click on any button or any page, then this pop-up will appear like that. So in our case, if you are a beginner, you can just play around with this time and scroll options. You can select different seconds, different time, seconds, minutes, or anything you want, or scroll after 20% of page scroll or 50% of page scroll. It means like if someone logged into your someone visited your website, if they scroll down to your website like this, if they scroll down 20% of your page, this pop-up will appear. So that is the meaning of this scroll option. So for now, let's leave it as 3 seconds. Okay. Now here most of other options are there. Like if someone close the pop-up by pressing on this cross icon, how it will behave. Like it should close the pop-up or it should allow outside of the pop-up something. And behavior, choose what will happen when a visitor choose the pop-up. Closes the pop-up. It means like once someone close this pop-up, it will if the pop-up should appear again or it should close. If you select keep showing this pop, that will be a little irritating to the users, because if they don't want to opt in, they will just close the pop-up. Again, if the pop-up is appearing, that is like they will feel irritating with your website. So just don't add this keep showing. Select anything like don't show this pop-up in this page or in this site. So it means like if someone click the close button, if they don't want to opt in, the pop-up will not appear again. They will navigate to your website for other pages and blogs and all. The pop-up will not appear for them. That also you can set here, like how many day after how many days the pop-up will reappear again for the same user. You can configure that as well. So by default it is like 365 days. Like after 1 year the pop-up will appear for them if they try to trigger your website again. So instead of that, what I prefer, 1 day. After 1 day, if let's say for example today they closed the pop-up. Tomorrow if they would like to visit our website again, then tomorrow the pop-up will appear. So like that you can actually select all these option. And visitors visibility after opt-in. If someone opt-in, like someone enter their website, how it behaves. Once they opt in the pop-up, it should not appear for them in general. So no longer. Okay. So like that you need to select as per your requirement. Now once you do all these things, you click on publish. So once you click on publish, it is successfully published into your website. Now let's refresh it. Let's go to our website in the private window. Okay, next let's test this if this is working fine or not. So this is very simple to add this free plugin and do this email pop-ups. Okay, let's test it. So now we are done with the configuration and all. So we are done with the email pop-ups configuration and feature adding. So let's test this. So we said 3 seconds delay, right? See, like this it will appear. So 3 seconds delay is there. So I just clicked on my website and I didn't do anything. So this is how your pop-up will appear. So MuleSoft updates, latest MuleSoft tutorials, enter your email address, get MuleSoft tutorials. Likewise. Okay. I think you understood how you can do this. and how you implement this feature in your website. I think this video is helpful to you. So that's it for this video. We will meet in another video of this series. Let's meet again. And one more thing, if you would like to delete this pop-up, that is also possible. You can do that. Just come down and go to pop-ups, because I have already have another pop-up earlier, right? So if you would like to delete this pop-up, this is the one. You can just delete it directly. Okay. So here in the settings, it will have unpublished, or you can save it in a draft mode, or otherwise you can just delete it. No problem. So my previous pop-up will work fine in this case. Okay. Yeah, so that's it for now. Let's meet in another video. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and share our channel for more updates for MuleSoft tutorials, SAP tutorials, as well as this website tutorials. Thank you.